product manager of Simba Armor full body screen products. Simba Armor is a super explosion-proof, full body protective film to prevent the screen from scratches and splits. It has 360 perfect fit mobility, prevent from scratches. This package we are using in the relief process. Let's do an unpacking inspection. The front side is Simba Armor protective screen, and the back side is anti-glare as iPhone 11 Pro. Let's try to fit the back side. So easy to fit. I like it. Let's make some more tests. The tense moment is coming. No damage. There are some 4 nuts. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's make another test with screen protector. Are you ready? No damage. Another one test with a hammer. So let's try. Good cleaning. Okay. No damage. Wow, it's working. Let's type something. Yeah, still working. With the nails and iPhone, still working. So let's try. Oh my god! Still working! No damages! It's amazing! Wow! Wow! Simba Armor protective screen is so strong!